If you are looking to build credit from scratch, maybe you're young and you've just never had credit cards or any loans, or you're in the process of rebuilding credit, I want to give these tips that doesn't involve you adding any debt to your overall life, right? But it shows up as a trade line that is reporting. That's a beneficial trade line for you on your credit report. So my first tip is become an authorized user on somebody else's credit card. Here's what you look for. You look for a credit card that has been in existence for years, right? Maybe mom or grandma will allow you to be an authorized user. So let's say mom has a Discover card that she's had for 15 years and it's in great standing. It has a $10,000 limit and mom never puts more than a couple $100s on it. Maybe she just uses it for gas and groceries. So it's got a really great amount of utilization available there. So ask mom if you can become an authorized user. When you call Discover Card and add you, you automatically get mom's entire credit history added to your credit report. It doesn't just start from then, it shows that that credit has been on your credit for 10 years. They're going to mail you a card. Give it to mom. You don't have to use it specifically for you to have the benefits of an authorized user. So it doesn't matter. It's the same credit line. It's the same credit card number. So you don't have to go and swipe it yourself for you to get the benefits. The other thing that you want to do is have an installment loan. But I'm not an advocate of just having debt for the purpose of having debt. So how do you get an installment loan without going out and generating new debt? There's a lot of banks that will offer what we refer to as a credit builder account. So locally, my friends at Seacoast Bank have a credit builder, and it's actually basically a savings account that funnels through, reports a payment, and it goes and it ends up into a certificate of a deposit or a CD. So it's your money, you're actually making payments every single month, and it's reported as a payment, and it winds up funding or increasing the balance of a CD. So at the end of that term, let's say you agree to $2,500 over 60 months or 5 years. Maybe that payment's about $50 a month. Comes from this account over here, your savings or your checking account with them, reports as a payment made on time, and it's building up that certificate of deposit balance. So it's not actually debt, it's just reporting as debt, and it's helping you on your savings goals. So find a bank local to you. If you'd like to ask some more information to me on that, I'm happy to help guide you. But now there's 2 ways that you're not even incurring any debt, but it's adding to your credit history and building you a really great credit score.